Sandbaggy Landscape fabric is trusted by farmers and landscape contractors across this country. Manufactured with durable polypropylene woven fabric, Sandbaggy Landscape fabric meets or exceeds DOT standards for landscaping fabric. We ensure that our fabric has at least 135 pounds of tensile strength, as well as UV inhibitors to ensure longevity after installation. Fabric is very easy to install. All you need to do is lay out the fabric and use Sandbaggy Landscape staples to hold the fabric in place. Planting trees and plants is easy as well. Just cut the fabric with a pair of scissors and place the plant through the fabric, and you're done. Sandbaggy is one of the largest landscape suppliers on the internet, so rest assured that you can trust Sandbaggy for all your landscaping needs.